What's up guys, Nathan Waitinas at Thayer Honda in Bowling Green here, doing a review on this beautiful 2013 Honda Accord EXL V6. Super sweet car. It does have the navigation, heated seats, leather, moonroof, and more. So let's take a look at this thing. All right, so I've got the 2013 Accord pulled into the service department here. Super clean car. Let's take a look at things up close. Very clean. That's just a bird. And real clean car. Here's the wheels. Front. Of course, you do have integrated turn signals into the mirrors there. Smart entry, of course, as well. And of course, you have the lane watch camera. So looking on the inside here. Light on. Nice clean seats. Of course, power on both sides there. We do have all-season mats in the trunk, so take a look at those. Back seats are very clean as well. Of course, you have the cup holder. And of course, plenty of ventilation for the back seats here as well. Trying to get every detail here for you. A little bit of curb rash on this back wheel. Trunk. And you do have the all-season floor mats, OEM for the front and the back. Underneath here, spare tire and everything that you need to change it. And you do have the ability to lay down the seats, of course, there. Backup camera standard. Dual exhausts. Does need a bath a little bit here, but we'll definitely wash that. Super tiny dent right there below the V6 emblem. Driver's side, a little bit of scuffs there. Tell you what, those birds, that's just bird crap. Here, of course. And front. And back across to the front here. Super tiny neck right down there. There is a little bit of hazing going on here with this. That could be polished up pretty easily though. And a little bit of buffing compound right there, but that's all that is. Windshield's clean. Those birds though. Average miles, 122,681. Of course, the dual climate control. Really easy to use that. And then this one does have the GPS system built in. And of course, heated seats. You do have USB connectivity for your phone, and then an aux port as well. And some more space under here. See that. And of course, auto dimming rear view mirror. And your sunglasses holder. One touch power moonroof. All right, looking underneath of the hood here, super clean, easy to get to everything. Battery's clean. Got a pretty new battery there as well. And that's under. All right, well, I hope you liked the car. Hope I got all the details that you need to see inside the video. If you need any other questions or anything, give us a shout here at Thayer Honda, 419-354-2222, or send us a message on Facebook or email us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.